JonnyPink. It's been about a week now. We were up in Pine Mountain Club and I'm still working on some of the photos on that, and I was using Canon's 100 to 500 lens. That thing, short minimum focus distance, incredibly sharp, just an amazing lens. But I shot so much, I was thinking, well, I'm just shooting a couple of photos, and what happens is you get so excited, at least I do, just taking pictures. And so the best of the best of the best of when you start culling through and you pick out the ones that you like. But I have so many photos, a couple of robin photos. The Stellar J was what I really wanted the most. I got a couple of those. I was just having fun shooting the ducks out at the pond over there. That lens is simply amazing. Today though, I'm using Canon's 100 to 400. This is the first version of that, and it's on the R5. It's so overcast, and I'm shooting at, I don't know, an ISO. It's going between 6,000, 10,000. It's really high, but it's okay. But what I wanted to share with you guys was the amazing photos that I was able to get. At least I think they're amazing, so please let me share with you guys the amazing photos. A few bird photos is what they are, with Canon's R7 and Canon's 100 to 500 millimeter lens. It is a phenomenal setup. Let me share that with you. Well, as I wander back this way towards, well, I'm heading back kind of where the cars are, but James is out in the field. We came out early to look for owls because I know he's working on an owl video and I have some stuff too. Oh, there's a spider there. It's time for macro as well. But thank you for letting me share my bird photos with you. I'm going to leave a link up above my left shoulder over here, which if you're looking at will be on the right side of the screen. That'll be for the other video where I was showing kind of Pine Mountain and the faux crow stuff that you can get, because there's a wonderful minimum focus distance. It's so short and that lens is so sharp. So keep an eye out for that one. If you haven't seen it, go check it out if you're just checking this out after that one comes out. That's the beauty of the internet, man. Thank you very much for letting me share with you guys. Have a fantastic day. Whatever it is you're going to do out there, please help me out by giving it a thumbs up. That's all I ask, is just I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Thanks a lot, man. We'll see you guys out there. JonnyPink. We'll see you. There's a spider that I was just looking at right over here somewhere.